Nyegea polotet tab kolenjin kokakomuch komonger biwatab president Rigathi Gachagua akomwa kole magoi kotumdum inendet kobun komuiset nebo alagin kondoik chemiten en serikali nebo tetutienyin nebo kotuyo serikali anan kotuyo region noton nebo Mount Kenya. Mwa kole en nguni kokomuch koib logoek kakwautik chekokoib inendet kotuyo meng'ik koboto kondoik en region nebo Mount Kenya. Kosubkei ak Rigathi Gachagua kokamwa kole en nguni kora kowendi kokere kole kakisuldaen tetut anan tesetai kosuldaen polotet noton nebo keker kele kakisuldaen tetutiet nebo one man one shilling one vote en kayaptaitab chepkondok koityi counties cheterter ako noton komagoi kotumdum telelenyin kaimuch korob eun anan logoyondo noton neimuch korob eun kondoik chebunu komosta nechigil serikali nekamwa kole bendi korobe eun kakwautikab serikali anan kakwautik chebo Rigathi Gachagua en noton netesetai kokere kole kaimuch kotuyo region noton nebo Mount Kenya ole kaimuch kokochi kurset biwatab president komat kosich kaiweisiet agetugul en wendi konyoru telelet anan wendi konyoru robetab eun kobun kondoik chemiten Azimio niton ko kaimuch kondochi kondoik choton chebo Azimio kondoindet nebo Wiper chamaitab Wiper ak kondoindet nebo DAP Kenya noton ko Eugene Wamalwa nekamwa kole nyolu en kondoik chebo emoni koker kole karob eun wirtaet nebo bilit nebo budget noton nebo 2024 ak 2025.
Some are being intimidated, they are being coerced, they are being threatened. Oh, if you call for unity, you shall not have projects. Oh, if you are seen with the deputy president, things can be very bad. But those are normal things in politics. But what is important is not the unity around here. Around here, the leaders. The most important unity ni ile ya raia. Sisi tunaungana tupanga mambo yetu. Bwana Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, unganisha watu yako. Mzee Raila Odinga, unganisha watu yako. President William Ruto, unganisha watu yako. Kila mtu aunganishe watu yake, alafu Kenya yote tulete pamoja tuungane. I want to confirm that the unity of the mountain is unstoppable. It will continue. It's actually complete. Imebaki 1%, a few leaders here and there, and I'm sure they will be aligned na wananchi tukiendelea.
Na hata wale wanasema eti Gachagua anataka kuharibu serikali, akileta hii maneno ati anaweza angusha hii serikali. Kwani serikali ikianguka hamwezi unda serikali nyingine? Nimesikia Wanguku akiongea hapa. Wanguku, wewe umesema maneno hapa. Achao Kalonzo ametoka Eastern, Wamalo wako hapa. Watu wa mlima are not short of options, my friend.
Gachagua, don't be afraid of called a villager. They say all politics are actually local. And if you lose the ground, you have lost it.
All right, itakuwa linti noton Rigathi Gachagua